And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 57. We'll go back to creating a different color for the backgrounds. And I've shown you in the last video you can do that under Video Basic, scroll down until you find the canvas, and there you can pick color. But what if you can't find the canvas? So some people scroll down and in Video Basic actually relight is the last option. And that is simply because CapCut restricts that. So you can only access that when you are on the first video channel at the bottom. And it doesn't even matter what object is selected. So here, for example, I've got a logo on video channel 2 and I've got the video clip copied on video channel 3 and I cannot find the canvas. So you have to have elements active that are on the lowest video channel for the canvas to show up. And that is the issue, that's the trouble that most people have when they can't find the canvas. They've got something else selected in the timeline that's not on video channel 1, and then the canvas will simply vanish. You can even see that here I am on video channel 2 and video channel 1 doesn't even have an element. Still the canvas is gone. And this is how you can find the canvas in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.